Step back in time and experience life as a lower limb amputee in the 19th century. Navigate the vibrant, gritty streets of Victorian London. Visit historic locations from London's past, where every corner holds a story and every choice defines your destiny. Will you make your fortune at the stock exchange? Find love or fulfill your dream? Which goal will you pursue? Riches, romance, or something entirely your own? Gather your friends, family and more to experience life as a lower limb amputee together.
This is our third game already. It's nice to see disability being represented in games without being sort of a lot of a joke.
And it's not like anything else that's on the market at the moment.
It's quite
really good, really interesting.
Legless in London, where fun, history and inclusivity combine. Go to www.leglessinlondon.com.